Let's set up a live stream, shall we? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, showing you how to create profitable content. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we set up our weekly live streams using Streamyard. Alright, so this is Streamyard right here. I'm already logged in, and I'm about to have a live stream, our weekly live stream, in about 90 minutes. So I'm gonna set it up as how I usually set it up, and you guys can come along the ride. All right, so first thing you wanna make sure is that you have all of your connections, right? So we have everything connected. Now we can't go live to all of these things. It depends on which plan you have. We do have a paid plan. So make sure that you do add a destination and that you do connect whatever you want to connect to live stream. For us, we live stream on our YouTube channel, a Facebook group, and my Facebook profile. So we live stream to 3 places at once. So once you've connected everything, head over to your broadcast, and this is exactly how I set it up. So I click on Create Broadcast, New Broadcast, and I choose my destinations. So I know that this is my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the free Facebook group that we have. We also have another paid one. And then my personal Facebook profile. Now I'm going to fill in the title and the description, and I actually grab a lot of the same stuff that I copy and paste from previous weekly live streams. So I've got this tab open here, and this is our YouTube channel. And I'm going to go to our last live stream, and I'm going to go into there, click on edit video. All right, so we have some standard things that we copy and paste into the description and into the title of the video. Our title is in 2 parts. So there's this part that changes, and then this part is going to stay the same except for the number. So I'm going to copy this part and go back to Streamyard and paste it, and this is going to be a new one, so I'm going to change it from 81 to 82. We like to number our weekly live streams mainly for ourselves, to know that we've been going live every week for 82 weeks now, so that's pretty cool. Now the beginning part changes, and I'm actually going to grab this title from a different video that I released that I'm going to be talking about in the live stream. So I'm going to just title, actually I think I might change it. I'm going to use those emojis though. So I usually put something exciting, inspirational, motivational, whatever I want to talk about in the live stream. And so I'm basing it off of this video because I wanted to show it to them, and this was like a motivational type video that I did. So I'm going to title this, it was all capitals, remove your dome, and then obviously in the live stream I'm going to explain what that actually means. So then we'll head back to the live stream video, and I'm going to copy and paste this description here, copy it. This pretty much stays the same for our live streams. Once I've got the description in, I'm actually going to be customizing this. This is mainly for the YouTube one, and you'll just see what I'm talking about in a second. So I'm going to schedule this for later. And it's going to say, okay, what time? 6 p.m. PST, which is happening in 90 minutes. I do have an image that we upload for every live stream. So I'm going to click on that. And I found the image here. This is our live stream image. I'm going to click apply. Okay, and then we want to customize this for each destination, because what you put in the description of your YouTube videos is generally not what you want to put on a Facebook post. So I'm going to click customize, and then I can leave the YouTube one because that's okay. It's the 2 Facebook ones that I have to alter. I'm going to delete the rest of this part, and this is how I usually do it on Facebook. I'm just going to copy this part. I just like to keep it short and sweet on Facebook. And then join us tonight. Join us tonight, Thursday at 6 p.m. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this and put it to the other Facebook. So I'm going to copy it, go to the other Facebook one. I'm which is my profile. Delete all this. And then just do it like that. And then I'm going to create the broadcast. All right, so we've just created our scheduled live stream. Now let's enter into the studio and I'll show you a couple of other things that I do in there to prep it up. So I'm going to click enter into the studio. I'm going to click allow access. Okay, I'm going to click allow. I'm going to put in our name here. All right. I'm just going to turn these two things off right now because we don't need them. Click enter studio. All right, so I'm going to do some things to set up our live stream. One thing is we usually have two tickers going down at the bottom, either this ticker, and how you make something into a scrolling ticker is you basically just click edit on whatever text you have and then make sure that this is checked. Scroll across bottom parentheses, it's a ticker. So we either usually have this one or this one going down at the bottom. And then I'm going to load up a couple videos that I want to play during the live stream. So I'm going to click the share button, click video file. And the first one is, it's like a 1 minute countdown. So I'm going to load this one up and it is going to start playing, but you can just stop that. And then I'm going to load up another video that I want to show as well. So I'm going to click the share button, click video file. All right, and this is the video that I wanted to show. Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick... All right, so it's loaded up that one as well. So now I pretty much have everything set up for the live stream. Obviously, when it's closer to the time, I'm gonna connect my camera and my microphone, turn them on, add me to the screen, which you go to add to stream, and then we're gonna start our show. So that's pretty much what I do to set up our Streamyard live streams that goes out every week on YouTube and Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, please let us know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And feel free to check out our free live streams that happen every Thursday at 6 p.m. PST. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.